In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find top selling on Dhgate 2026, step by step. First, open your web browser and head to the official Dhgate website. Give the page a moment to load. You might see a regional or language prompt the first time you visit. Just confirm your preferences so the prices and shipping estimates are relevant to you. If any promotional pop-ups appear, close them so you can clearly see the home page. Once you're on the Dhgate dashboard, take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. The homepage typically highlights categories, trending picks, and seasonal deals. This is helpful context, but for what we're doing today, the key area you'll use is the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search bar. This is where you'll tell Dhgate what you want to explore. If you're casting a wide net, type the phrase top selling. If you already know your niche, you can narrow it down by adding a category like top selling clothes, top selling electronics, or whatever fits your research. Press enter to load the results. On the results page, look for the sorting options. Find the option labeled best selling and click it. This tells Dhgate to prioritize items that are moving quickly, so you're seeing products with strong sales traction rather than just newly listed or heavily discounted items. It's a fast way to surface what shoppers are choosing right now. After you apply the best-selling sort, you'll see a refreshed grid of products. Each tile usually shows the item title, price range, available variations, store rating, and the number of orders or units sold. That sales count is a handy signal of demand. Take note of ratings and review snippets too. A high sales number paired with positive feedback is a good sign that the listing is performing well. From here, keep browsing until you find products that suit your goals and preferences. Open promising items in new tabs so you can compare details side by side. Look closely at shipping estimates, minimum order quantities, available colors or sizes, and any buyer protection badges. If you're researching a niche, scan a few pages of results to spot patterns, recurring product styles, common price points, and sellers that appear repeatedly often indicate a stable trend rather than a short-lived spike. That's all there is to it. Go to Dhgate, use the search bar, type top selling or a targeted version of it, switch the results to best selling, and then browse thoughtfully until you find exactly what you're looking for.